Here is the high pressure sodium light near the front entryway. This is the Woods 70 watts high pressure sodium area light or security light, whatever you want to call it. This has not worked properly since it was installed, and the problem is not a problem with the light itself but an issue with the installation, in the sense that a few minutes after it turns on, the light would reflect off the house and turn the daylight sensor off, and it would just continually turn on and off infinitely until the sun came up and kept it off. So I had contemplated a few different ways to fix this. I was going to try to put a remote sensor, you know, like over there at the corner, or maybe put a timer on the inside. And in typical fashion, I never got around to doing either one. At some point, I was looking around on the Amazon at different sensors, and I came across this one, which has the photoelectric eye kind of off to the side and recessed in a little bit. So I bought it thinking that perhaps this might work because of the design. The light reflecting off the house might not catch the sensor. So I bought it, and it came in and it sat for weeks and weeks, if not months, and I just never got around to it for whatever reason. And then the other day I was looking for some shorting caps, and this was sitting in a box that looked about the right size and shape, so I opened it up and found this. And I said, you know, it may just work, so I put it on, and sure enough it worked fine. So, very simple solution to a simple problem. It's not completely flawless because of the design of the sensor. It does end up staying on a little bit longer into the morning than necessary, and it turns on a bit earlier in the evening than necessary. But considering before it was just manually on and off, there were plenty of times that I got up and just forgot to shut it off and it was on all day, and I don't get up when the sun comes up, so it would end up running a couple hours extra in the morning anyways. So this is better. There's no issues with it getting left on, no issues for getting to turn it back on in the evening, no issues of coming home when it's dark, etc. Not the best solution imaginable. I think a remote sensor would have been better, but since I don't know how long that light's going to be up there, this is a pretty good answer for now, and it works quite satisfactorily.